kung sino sila. Okay? Wrong principles being applied. No offense meant, no, pero kadamo sa mga foreign author books nga which is hindi applicable sa setting sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Frequently we're hearing dapat mag-diversify, dapat you buy when there is blood on the streets, na siya, I can keep my stock position forever, so Warren Buffett, di ba? Okay, those were authored by billionaires. Namitanay silang bakalya kung nagapanaog ang stock prices because they have plenty of cash to buy. Small investors, pag bakalya, that's it, wala na. So mahinibi na lang na siya kumanaog ng stock price. So it's not applicable for us to buy when there is blood on the streets. We wait first before buying. Okay? Shortcuts. Greed versus patience. Okay, si Ma'am Soke na mag-present party sa poll na investment EIP. Okay, usually sa social media, ang investor mag-invest through EIP. But kung ara ka na sa Facebook and you have lots of groups belonging to the stock market forum, may masinggit lang nag-stock ka ang amuning na stock. Bligyan mo na ng imo EIP, mabakal ka man na sa amuning na stock. So the influence of peer sa Facebook, no, grabe gid. Matintar gid ka mo. Okay. So, little or no emotional maturity. It doesn't mean that kung 20 years old ka or 50 years old, may emotional maturity ka na sa risk. Karon kung nagbakal ka, kag nanao, mas hindi kayahin mo matulugan. Mas hindi mo napagplanggaon ito yung mga bata kung magpangga. I've seen a lot of those in my 20 years sa Summit Securities. Kung magsaka gani, nang, takata, nyagata. O na, hara-hara kung magsaka ang stocks. Pero bumanaog, wala na gana mag-obra, wala na gana maghimo sa assignment, kung student, nagkakaapektuhan. So ang well-being nila, hindi na mayo. Because they don't have emotional maturity sa risk. Kung dasig makulba, dasig ma-excite. So hindi na pwede nga may emotional, luway kayo sa emotional control sa investment. Okay? Buys long term but think short term. If you buy Jollibee, for example, kaya kakaang ka permis sa Jollibee, tapos na naog ang price ng Jollibee, pesos lang. Ano mo lang Jollibee? Manganggap na ako na siya man. Daw mo na. So when you buy long term, it goes for how many years, damo. Hindi na sila everyday may price fluctuation. Kag everyday mo man lang tawon nga aga panahog, ay gasaka naman kag panahog. So when you buy long term, you focus on the long term growth of the company. Hindi nga adlaw-adlaw na kulbaan kay mo gasaka nahog. Okay? Revenge leads to gambling. Stock market, whether you like it or not, can be a venue for gambling. Damo sugarol sa stock market. Have you heard of the basura? We turn basura when we invest, hindi pala invest, when we gamble on speculative issues. Amo na nga mga stocks nagasaka tag 20, 30, 50% in a day. And at the same time, the next day mahulog naman 20, 30, 50% in a day man. So padasigay. And those people who are gambling sa stock market, ginansya, and the later day manahog, mapwerdi. So ano ang typical reaction sa misa kasugarat? Waperde ko yung balos kuya. May sugal naman ang silawat until maubos ang iya nga investments. So how do I know that?
20 years. Okay.
Paano ko nabalanin na? Kay nakaagi na ako sugal. Okay. So how do I know? Because kaagi na ko pamuto man sa stock market sa pagsugal ko. In my lifetime, kaduwa na ko magmilyonaryo sa stock, sinikod doon, kaduwa man ko
Puto.
bankrupt. So katatlo, tani hindi na tani pagkuhaan. Kaya as we go along sa pag-invest, nag-learn man kita sa mga mistakes ta, nag-age man kita, nag-wiser man kita. So typically, nag-aalam, matatani, pero we commit the same mistakes over and over again. So at least ma-minimize. Okay, thank you. Okay, how to make money in stocks? We discussed this already, no? Itasigon ko lang. Dividends, usually sa libro, dudwa lang, dividends and capital appreciation. But as you go along investment sa stock market, we have plenty of ways to make money. And stock rights can be one of them. And preferred shares. May nabalaan ka mo nga sa preferred shares, lesser risk na siya wala sa kasaka or naogit, pero it gives a yield of around 8 to 8.5% a year, beating inflation, beating all the best banks rates. Patulugon mo lang, may 8.5% kang makuha per year at minimum 8%. So, if you want to time deposit your money, pwede man sa preferred shares ang company. Okay? Amo ni ang mga the best nga company, no, nga maghahatag sa dividends. Every year naghahatag sila dividends. So one of them is Aboitiz Power. If you know the dividend history, kadamo sang iya nga dividend. Okay? And PLDT. PLDT is one of the highest paying dividend company man. So capital appreciation, Ari, I'm putting a lot of greed sa pag-present ko because I can present a chart the way I want it to present to inyo. Kag ma-entice ka mo mag-invest sa stock market, okay. The MCI sa 2004 is only 25 cents. Would you believe sa 2004? Pila na subong ang MCI? Supra 80 pesos. Okay, so a return of how much? 4,000%. Maski nagbakal ka lang sa 2008. Okay, I can present it to you in a nice way sa chart. Okay, ma'am? Universal Robina, tawag mo chipi. Okay. Sa 2009, it's only around 10 pesos. Nagsaka na siya sa mga 180 pesos. So, namin mag-invest sa stock market, no? Mamilyonaryo kita yan. Okay. Okay, next please. Capital appreciation plus dividends. This is a true story. True story ni. I have a client who bought 7-Eleven sa una. Sa 2005. 4,000 shares at 1 peso. So, nag-accumulate ang dividend niya. So, ang 4,000 shares at 1 peso niya is 4,000 peso investment. Sometimes, long-term investment involves luck. Sa 7-Eleven, ano malantong nga kiosko nila man sa 2004. Hanggat may ganmay. Who would have thought that they have grown so much bigger? Okay? 7-Eleven. So, sa naging baligya ko, wala na sa kabalo na lipat na sa gani nga may ara sa 7-Eleven. Ang balang ko, sir, may taas mo blood pressure. Okay, baligya ko yung stock. Okay. So, yung baligya ko yung stock. Ang 4,000 peso investment yan, nahimo nga nakita nyo that 639,000 plus isang last year. So, ang ko siya, hindi ko may blood pressure siya, hindi ko pagambal yung pilay ako. This is a true story, but it's not about the fundamentals of the company. It involves luck. Who would have thought? Nabasa yan man, okay man ang 7-Eleven, pero may mga company kung kisa, ginabakal sa ibang mga company, kag gina-invest na sa nag-vlog ko nga company. Eh kung nag-steady lang sila nga as is as a company lang, hindi mag-appreciate ang munang price ng vlog ko. So, mag-invest ka sa stock market, pili ka man sa company nga may potential na i-backlog sa ibang na company. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can also earn money through stock rights. BPI is one generous company who gives stock rights at a discount. So for example, ang price ng company is 50 pesos, mahatag na siya, bakal ka mo sa amon sa 30 plus lang. Okay, so you earn at a discount when you're buying through the stock rights. Okay mo? Okay, thank you. Preferred shares, ang muna siyang i-mention ko kay na, it gives 8% a year or 2% per quarter na interest. So, relatively, ang imong risk is very minimal. So, kung mayara ka kwarta sa bangko, napatulog mo lang, you can put it in preferred shares and earn at least 8% per year. Okay, next. Okay, in selecting your buying of first stock, we have sound fundamentals, trending analysis, trending technicals, generous dividends. Why dividends? Because may cycle kita bull and bear market. When we say bull, kapasaka. Kaya ang turo, kinasungay yan, iyan na kontra. So kapasaka. When we say bear market, magatakang bear, gamo na yung flow, di ba? So kapanaog. Dividends are buffered to bear markets. Kung gawulat ka sa presyo mo magsaka, kagula dividend, no kalaway man. Pero kung gawulat ka sa presyo mo magsaka, with dividends, at least nag-increase ang imo nga number of shares. Okay? And historical price performance. Check nyo gid. Ano ang matago sa company kung may bear market, kung may crisis? Gapanaog siya, kung ano siya. Okay? This is the China Bank's historical dividend. So, halisan 2006 to 2014, namin siya maghatag. So, nag-increase ang imo nga number of shares per year. Okay. So, China Bank, sang 1989 is only 0.08. Wala ka sa kalambot, 10 centimos, 8 centimos pa lang siya. Adjusted price, nakahasaka na sa 80 pesos. So, if you stick to China Bank, damo ka na kwarta. Damo ka man dividend. And you notice, may mga Asian crisis, kita yung financial crisis, gapanaog man ang prices sa mga company or sa China Bank, yet when the market recovers, gasaka man siya. Okay, so amo na siyang nami baklon. Kaya kung mag-crisis, gapanaog, pero kung mag-recover, nagkasaka. Okay. Kaya may iba na company ang gumag-crisis, naog lang ang naog, kag nabudlayan magsaka after recovery. Okay. Okay, how to become a successful market investors. Okay. Excellent emotional maturity. Wala ka ginakulbaan mag-invest. You can handle your risk well. Okay. Avoid scam. Sa stock market, damo sang stocks, con artist mind. Amo na milig sang scam sa stock market. Amo na yung mga ginagambling ng mga stocks. Pinapasaka nila una, tapos baligyaan. Okay. Study and dapat din magbasa kung sa mga disclosures ng company. Know the movers and shakers, and we have discipline and patience. May ara kit nga tawo nga waay patience nga gunit di magsaka, baligya adayon. Pagbaligya nagsaka. Okay? Proven strategy. And we have a very wonderful quote, no? Listen to your elders' advice, not because they are always right, but because they have more experiences of being wrong. So, ako, elder ko, kay 20 years na ako na-experience, hindi tungod alam ko sa inyo, pero damo na ko kapalpakan sang una na pwede ko ma-share sa inyo. May mga days na hindi mo ko katulog. Sa panumdum na sa mga kaperdihan at sa mga ginilog ko. Okay? So, if you wanted to know mga kapalpakan, I can share it with you wholeheartedly. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the technical analysis. Dasig lang niya. Okay, what is technical analysis? So, forecasting ginasa some prices. We check the chart. Ang chart nga ginalantaw, tadra kita naga-forecast ang price. And we use previous or historical prices to determine future. So, at least we have a guess. We cannot fully 100% guaranteed ma-determine. Pero at least we have some insights kung ang price subong barato or mahal na. Okay? So, this is the long-term view of Jollibee. So, since 2001, ang Jollibee is on the uptrend. Pasaka lang siya. So, it's been on the rise for 13 years. So, may chansayhan ng Jollibee nga naog. 13 years na kaya nga sige saka. Okay. So, we have at least project na nga ang Jollibee uptrend for 13 years. Okay. This is the short-term view. When you take the long-term view, you use weekly or yearly chart. Kung sa short-term view naman, daily chart or lesser period. So you can see the 1 or 2 years price movement of the stock prices. Okay. Price discounts everything. Masiling ka nga kanamik sang company nga ang gapanaog. Nami man ang nabasa ko sa news, nag-expand sila nga ananaog. So we cannot, sa technical analysis, we don't reason the why. We only know the want. Wala na namang ginaisip kung ano ang rason nga ang nagapanaog siya. Because the stock price itself is the whole story. So it discounts everything. Okay? May kasaka man nga mga wala man balita. Mga company nga wala pulos, kasaka man. So if you know the why pa, mabulayan ka gid. Okay. So this is the price discounts everything. You usually hear the word buy on rumors, sell the news. Okay, may mga na. Because before the news came out, no, may mga insider or on the know-how na nagabay before dira. So pagbuwas ang news, they are the ones who is selling it and the public is the one who is buying. So usually kung makalambot na sa public ang news, daw medyo ulihin na. Right now, the playing field daw medyo gin-level sa PSE because it is mga disclosure so kung they can submit it online real time. So at least na-minimize na ang mga insider information within the companies. Okay, they have the edge sa PSE website nga online na tanan kag may mga apps naman so kadamo nasubong sa mga news. So kag faster information dati sa una wala internet, wala Facebook, wala Instagram, wala tweet. So pauna-una lang basa sa news ang nasong. Okay. Price movements are not totally random and we usually hear the trend is your friend. Because when the stock price goes higher, uptrend, and you're the ones who may ara ka position na nakabakal ka, friend mo siya, kaya pasaka siya. Okay. Okay, this is the trend is your friend. For example, Jollibee Liwat. For 2000, since 2001, friend mo gid si Jollibee because the trend is going up or going north. Okay. Pero may ara man companies nga una, friend mo siya, then if you don't know how to sell, laging balik ka lang song kanugon ka tama. Okay, downtrend naman siya. So uptrend and downtrend. Okay. This is the what is more important than the why, okay? So we tend to know the supply and demand lang gid. So nagkasaka ang price because of higher demand, more buyers. Nagapanaog ang price because there are more sellers. That is the only important reason for a technician or the one who practice technical analysis. Supply and demand lang We don't argue with people nga baligya mo na siya kay kanamig man. Naging bakal mo na siya nga dawain na siya gid putuho. We don't argue with that. We just only wanted the price action. So for example, kung makuton ka nga aging baligya mo, that is the why. Sa stock market, sa stock investing using technical analysis, wala na namang gina-reason pa. Okay. General steps, no? So paano kita magpili sa stock price, sang particular stock using the technical analysis? So una, tanawon ang general picture. How is the market doing? So we check the chart of the Philippine Stock Exchange index ang nanay-nanay ginila tanan. Then we brought it down to various sectors. Okay. Pagtapos na, mapili kita sa gunano nga klase ng price. Technical analysis doesn't require you to be a CPA, unlike sa fundamental analysis na dapat may financial background ka. Kapudlay sang fundamental analysis mag-decipher to the point na dito na ako nagtuon sa technical analysis. Okay, kapudlay, okay. So technical analysis, maski high school ka, college, or any courses, when you have that gift to look at the stock price, dira mo na siya mabalaan. Okay. Okay, we look for the overall trend, we look for the support, resistance. Ang support namin, this is the price nga damo nakabakal, kag ang resistance, ang price nga damo nagabaligya. The very simple meanings ng support and resistance. Okay. So sa price chart naton, makita nyo ang mga low, mga price nga kasaka-saka na that is the support. Makita nyo man nga ang pinakamahal nga price is the resistance. And previously, sang wala pa siya magsaka, ang resistance nga blue line, in-break yan na. So nahimo na siya nga support. So amo lang gina, it doesn't to be complicated. So kung pabudlayon mo lang ang imo nga ginaobra, mabudlayan ka man. Pero kung naamuna na obra, mamamutang ka man lang sang linya-linya, everybody can draw a line, di ba? Okay? So kung kapasaka, may trend line man kapasaka. Kung kapanaog, may trend line man kapanaog. So may slanting a line because the price is going up. May downtrend man na line because the prices are going down. Okay? So muna siya. Long-term view, trimming down to sectors, but identifying leaders and you compare it them. For example, you wanted to buy banks. You have in mind BPI, BDO, Metrobank. But you cannot guess ano ang nami na company, ano ang leader na company, kung ano ang dasing magsaka. Okay. So sa technical analysis, makita tanan-tanan. Okay, we can see it. So this is the stock market index monthly. So this is the long-term view. So kapasaka siya. So it is last week it broken the historical high. Okay? So kung ma-determine na ang index, what company follows the index? So ang company nga nag-follow sa index ara sa top 30 blue chip stocks ang tawag sa ila. So Ayala Corporation, Metrobank, Jollibee, those are the blue chip stocks. Magsilikad blue chip stocks, they are the index stocks comprising the Philippine Stock Index. So makompare mo na kung anong behavior sa Ayala compare sa index. So you can actually plot. So kung mangnaog ang index, gapanaog man ang Ayala Land. Kung magsaka ang index, gapasaka man ang Ayala Corporation, I mean galing. So if you believe that the stock market will go much higher pa, and you saw it sa technical analysis that Ayala Corporation is following what the index is doing, then you buy Ayala Corporation. Okay? So here are the comparisons of Metrobank, BPI, and BDO. If you're confused kung ano nga stock yung baklon, i-compare mo sila. And you notice that the blue line, Metrobank, is the leader among the three banks. Pwede ka magbakal BDO, pwede ka magbakal BPI. Pero if you want the leader, you go for Metrobank. So since 2009, Metrobank is way ahead of those two banks. So kung magsaka todo ang index, si Metrobank gasaka ng todo. Go for man si BDO, go for man si BPI. But if you base a price appreciation, mas higher si Metrobank. That's why ng ibang investors, for example, ay nagsaka ng index nga ako nga BPO, nga BPI, gamay ang saka. May ibang mga investor na, okay, ang index, kaya nga ako Metrobank, nagsaka ako. Because those who the know-how, they compare which stocks amo ang leader. So pwede ka man ka-pick lang kung ano gusto mo, pero first naman, we use technical analysis, we compare the leaders. We disregard the laggards, the leader kami nagapakal. Okay, thank you. So these are the technical analysis sa Metrobank. You just put some lines. Pwede ka man kabakal sa green line or you can buy when the price breaks out on the red line. So at least makita mo siya kung diin ka mabakal or mabaligyan. Okay, thank you. So as what I've said earlier, we focus on price because of the supply and demand. The more buyer, the higher the price. The more seller, there will be selling pressure. Okay? What's the next one? Okay, strength of technical analysis. Okay, so sa every methodology, sa every strategy, may strength man kag weakness. Ang technical analysis, ang strength niya is you assist with the entry point. So, using technical analysis, makita mo kung din ka dapat magsulod. Fundamental analysis teach you what companies to buy, and technical analysis times you when to buy. Okay? So, it's also important to know a stock price is to rigid. So, ang munang kinalantaw tagin. Okay. Analyze, but, anong sandang dapat? Okay. Sige. So, may strength man, may weakness man. So, for sa akon, isa lang ka-chart ang nalantaw ta, but we have so many interpretations. Ang gapasaka nga stock price, masiling ko, sige, bakal kayo gapasaka. Pero may isa man kanalis, masiling nga, oops, don't buy it because it's too expensive. So, it's analyst bias. Depende na sa manuglantaw kung anong bias siya, okay? Open to interpretation. So, kadamo sang mga studies, may candlestick, may Ichimoku, kadamo sa mga technical studies na nag-integrate sa technical analysis. So, one study is different from another study and different from another one. Okay, so kadamo sa interpretation ng technical analysis. May mga waves pada, so kadamo nang yun. Okay, the trick in technical analysis is that I can assume the public that I know it all, no? I can be a genius. So, i-present ko subong sa inyo kung paano mag 100% accurate ang technical analysis. So, would you believe it 100%? Okay? How would I do? Paano ko siya ubrahon ng 100%? I will give scenario. Kung hindi siya magsaka, siyempre, manaog. And you, the public, ay, sakto balik si Hernan mo, nagsaka, siyempre nanaog. Pero that's the trick of the technical analysis. And I'm giving it to you openly. Hindi ka mo magpati dayo insigida. Okay, so here are the tricks. If support will hold, the price will increase. Natural, kaya ang support nag-hold. If the support breaks down or broke down, simply manaog ang price. But very frequent, you're gonna read analysis such as this. And for me, it is just plain crap. Okay, because ang pag-analyze namon in such a way that the public would tend to believe that we are actually accurate. Okay? If price breaks, ano mga himo kung if price breaks? Siyempre masaka ang presyo. These are the words that you are using if, assuming, muna amo na nga mga words. Okay? Watch the neckline. Usually may mga neckline, may mga price level. Kung magkadto na siya, kag masaka, then husto ka. Kung manaog, husto ka man Japon ang pag-present mo. It is likely to go higher if, siyempre may likely mo. It will put it 100% going higher. Okay, so for example, you see that one, if supports hold, then buy. Okay. Of course, that is 100% accurate. Sakto? If support holds, then you buy. Karon mapasulan ka sa karon tiway man nag-hold na naog. I am only recommending if support will hold, then you buy. Right? Okay. So, kung nag-support and hold, bida ako. Because my analysis is correct. Nag-gets yung point ko? Okay? So, ara naman, matuloy. Buy on breakout sa green level, no? Sa green level, nagsaka ang price. So, pag nagsaka ang price, nagsaka mo ng ang stock price ng market, sang stock. It's because I recommend a buy on breakout. Karon kung wala siya nag-breakout, wala man sa magsaka. So, those are just the tricks in the stock market, technical analysis. So, I'm exposing it to you para nga kung may mabasahan ka mo later on nga technical analysis, masilig ko ay doon mo maningin expose ni Nung Hernan kaya sa among seminar. So, not all technical analysis are accurate, but they are accurate on the way we present it to the public. Okay, thank you. Okay, with one of the weakness of technical analysis is it's too late. Nakasaka ng stock price pag wala ikaw nakareact. Because you're using the wrong indicators. Okay, so kadama man. Okay. And we always use another level. Sa 5 peso, if we buy 5 peso, if 5 peso breaks, sa 4 peso tabakal. Kumanawag naman 4 peso, sa 3 peso naman tabakal. So it's just a matter of presentation. Okay. This is the chart of PSE monthly. And not all technical signals and pattern works, no? So every stocks are unique. One indicator works well for San Miguel and one indicator doesn't work well with PLDT. So iba-iba. Okay, this is the tip I'm going to give you. The perfect stock. Nakita niyo itong DMCI sa makina na chart, nagsaka from 25 centavos to 80 pesos. Mas grabe pag inisa sa DMCI. Mas grabe pa niya siya sa Jollibee. Mas grabe pa niya sa URC. These perfect stocks can make you a millionaire. Okay? So, anong perfect stock ka?
Ikaw.
Kamo. So, you can only the one, kamo lang din ang makapahimong milyonaryo sa lawas. Okay, thank you very much and good morning.